January 19th of the 19th century, 1817. An army of 5,423 soldiers, led by General José de San Martin, crosses the Andes from Argentina to liberate Chile and then Peru. 1829. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe's Faust, the first part of the tragedy, receives its premiere performance. 1839. The British East India Company captures Aden. 1853. Giuseppe Verdi's opera The Second, Trovatore, receives its premiere performance in Rome. 1862. American Civil War, Battle of Mill Springs. The Confederacy suffers its first significant defeat in conflict. 1879. Anna Bates gives birth to the heaviest known newborn in Seville, Ohio. Her child weighs 23.4 pounds and measures 2.5 feet in length. Unfortunately, the baby passes away 11 hours later. 1883. The first electric lighting system employing overhead wires, built by Thomas Edison, begins service at Roselle, New Jersey. 1883. After a 4-month siege, insurgent Mahdists under the Mahdi Muhammad Ahmad captured the Sudanese province capital of Obeid, which was held by Egypt. 1883. The German passenger steamship Cimbria sinks after a collision near Borkum, resulting in the death of 437 people.